Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create a barcode in Python. We can use Python barcode to generate different type of objects. First, we are going to install the barcode. We can do that by opening a terminal. And on terminal, we are going to type pip install Python barcode. Pip install Python barcode. I have already installed on my system, but if you don't have on your system, you just need to type this command and hit enter. So I already have it over here, and we are also going to install pillow. We will use the pillow module to view the image, so you can type in, I will just clear the terminal, and then we are going to type in pip install pillow. So I already have this one too. So if you don't, you just install it, and then we are going to import these modules. We are going to create an ISBN 13 barcode. This module supports many other types of barcodes also. We are going to generate a PNG image of the barcode, and we will use the pillow module to view the image. So let's import. We are going to type from barcode import ISBN 13, and from barcode dot writer import image writer, and from pill import image. And we need to pass a 12-digit number as a string. So that will be none set to, it should start at 97911, and there are too many ones. So we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we are going to create our barcode of ISBN 13. So this will be barcode ISBN 13. Pass in our var num, and writer set to image writer, and then we are going to save image. And this will be barcode. And then we are going to read the image using a pillow. So that will be our image dot open, and this will be barcode dot png. Then we are going to do image dot show to show the image. Now we can run our code, and here is our barcode. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.